Welcome to African Gardening. One of the problems with having fruit trees is that your fruits, once they're about getting ripe, they're going to be eaten up by birds. Birds, they're particularly, they're more difficult to get rid of than other pests like squirrels and rats, because the birds can fly, so you don't have to chase them. They can just be there and wait for you to move closer, and they just run away. Even while you are close by, the birds can still come to eat up your fruits. For other pests like squirrels and all that, they're very, very careful to ensure that they will only come to attack your fruit trees when you're not available, when you're not around. So things like scarecrows will scare pests like squirrels and smaller animals like rats. But I can tell you, when it comes to birds, a whole lot of them, they're used to the human clothes. So when you put a scarecrow there, they're not afraid. So this is my fig tree, as you can see. Figs, I don't know, birds, they love figs. They love figs. So a whole lot of people that have grown figs, they suffer from this problem of birds coming to eat the figs once they're about getting ripe. And guess what? They just eat it a bit and eat as many as they want, and they don't even finish it. I've tried a whole lot of other methods that didn't work out. So I decided to use CDs. CDs, you can use new ones or old ones. You can see the side, I stacked two together, so the sides are shining. That is stunning. The CDs have proven to be very, very effective. So you can, since I put this up, the birds, they've not been coming. All right, so you just need the two. You need these CDs. They can be used, or you can buy new ones if you don't find you use CDs. So turn the side. Let's see. So these are the sides you need, and it's a very simple process. All you need to do, put those shining sides, let them face the outside. Then okay. So just do that. Do that for us. All right. Okay. Turn it around. Let's see. So that's all you need to do. Then tie it up. All right. Let's see you tie. So it's very simple. You tie it there first. Then of course, you will have to get ropes. Yes. So you get lines. You get lines like this where you can hang them. So it's better you hang them, all around. So you can hang as many. If there are lots of birds, I would suggest you hang a whole lot. So it's tying them now quickly. All right, so just tie it to that place, and that's it. So, so tie it in a way that it can even move. It's gonna be going back and forth, and that's it. So let it go down a bit. So there you go. You can see it's very simple. So it's very, very simple. So as the wind is blowing, it's gonna be turning the disc, as well as the light that's changing colors. I mean, this is gonna scare the birds. Scare the shit out of them. And I can tell you, they're not gonna come again. They'll be scared because they're not used to seeing stuff like this. So this is a very, very effective method. So you can do as many as you want. Depends on how many of the discs you have. So I suggest you just do a whole lot. So for every fruiting branch, make sure you have one close to it, so that the birds will know that they're not supposed to be. They'll be scared. The birds it's going to scare them off. Make sure every fruiting branch you have all this. I can tell you, they will be scared. They will be scared. It has worked for us so far. Using old or new CDs as a way to chase the birds, it's very, very effective. Especially if you're growing figs. Look at this fig. Normally the birds, they come out very early, but since we put this, a day ago, they've not been able to eat any of the figs. They're actually scared because they're wondering, what's all this? So I would recommend, if you want to get rid of the birds or scare them away, using the CDs is very effective. If you have a whole lot, just tie it around just like this. Effective way to chase away all these very, very destructive birds. As you can see, even the glow on the disc is different colors. So this further scares the birds away because they won't get used to it. Every time they come, they will see different colors on the disc, and I can tell you it will scare the hell out of them, and then you'll be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor. So look at this one, like I said. So this one, it's here, it's fine, and yeah. So I'll remove it and maybe tomorrow. It's almost ripe. So that's the setup with the CDs. See, it's glittering, it's shaking. So the birds, I mean, this deters the pest, both the birds and even squirrels. So I encourage my viewers, I encourage you to do it, and let's see. I mean, look at this beautiful fruit. I mean, if not for this disc we put here, these guys will have come to eat this thing up and then, you know, enjoy the fruit of my labor instead of me enjoying the fruit of my own labor. So that's it. So just try it out and let me, you can put your feedbacks there in the comment section. This is extremely cheap. A whole lot of us have whole CDs that we're not using. I mean, I used the pack that I bought several years ago that I'm not using. So, and it's quite effective. Thank you very much.